President Bongbong Marcos will be staying out of the public eye for now after being diagnosed with a stomach ailment. But he's still in the headlines
as 3 impeachment complaints are lodged against him this week for alleged betrayal of public trust. 2 of the complaints, though, have yet to be received by the House Secretary General.
Meantime, one complainant in moves to oust President Marcos is now saying that former Congressman Zaldico is on their side. The big story tonight from Mobile Journal, Merimon Reyes.
Since I was young, I've been surrounded by educators. From my grandmother to my mother and now to my wife. Bear in mind, speech to ng tatay ko, hindi akin. I have seen, just making that clear, I have seen the countless sacrifices that teachers make every day. Nahihiya tuloy ako sa inyong lahat.
This was a slip that got laughs for Ilocos Norte Congressman Sandro Marcos. But the reason he was in the event was no laughing matter. Sandro was just standing in for his father, President Bongbong Marcos, at the launch of the PBBM Gabay ng Bayan programs in Laoag City. The presidential son read from his speech meant for his father, who is now resting after being diagnosed with an illness. On Thursday, January 22, the chief executive confirmed being rushed to the St. Luke's Medical Center in Quezon City the night before because of a nagging discomfort. He was later found to have diverticulitis, an inflammation of small pouches or diverticula in the colon wall, often due to a low-fiber, high-fat diet, drinking, smoking, or certain medications. Old age can also be a factor. And this condition of the gut could also be aggravated by other factors.
It's a common complaint amongst apparently people who are heavily stressed and people who are, I have to admit, growing old.
Age check. Mr. Marcos is already 67 years old, but Malacanang assures he can still do the job as the highest official of the land. Proof of which the palace says is Marcos still being able to attend meetings and private events just hours after being diagnosed with diverticulitis. Doctors have already advised him to rest while being under observation, so no public outings yet for the president at the moment. And so, his son lawmaker had to step in. As to stress being a factor in his stomach ailment, well, there are plenty of sources for that, like 3 impeachment complaints lodged against him in a span of 4 days this week. First was from a lawyer filed Monday, and 2 more submitted on Thursday, courtesy of the Makabayan Bloc and a group of Duterte supporters. A common ground for the complaints, betrayal of public trust. From the Duterte Bloc, there's former Congressman Mike Defensor, who is pointing to the president as culprit behind the refusal of the House's Office of the Secretary General to receive the last 2 complaints. Defensor also accused Speaker Boji D. and Secgen Cheloy Garafil of deliberately preventing the filing. Garafil is the only one authorized to accept the complaints. But the visit of the Makabayan Bloc and the Duterte Group was not the best time, as Garafil is in Taiwan to receive an award. That for her past service as chair of the Manila Economic and Cultural Office or MECO, still during the Marcos administration.
Ayaw nilang pakinggan at ayaw nilang sagutin yung hinain ng taong bayan. Why did you block us all of a sudden? For a ministerial procedure. It is not only that they are not authorized, but they are rejecting our submission.
Now, Defensor is planning to file criminal and administrative complaints against Garafil and her personnel. His group will also be back next week at the House of Representatives to refile their impeachment complaint against the president, which grounds include Marcos's alleged drug addiction, hand in the arrest and detention of predecessor Rodrigo Duterte, and fingers in unprogrammed appropriations contained in this year's national budget. Meanwhile, Defensor also claimed to have spoken to fellow former Congressman Fugitive Zaldico via phone call. According to Defensor, Ko had told him he's willing to testify against Marcos as soon as the impeachment reaches the Committee on Justice. Kapatid Mobile journalist Merimon Reyes, we are One News.